I cross many rivers, I cross many oceans. Will that thing follow you in the dark? The rain is gone, Halloween is back. What thing sucking me? I feel so black. I don't want to leave me, and I don't want you to go. I don't want. Can you hear me? And I don't want you to go. Never get touched so much with your sweet desire, full of tears dripping, and I wonder, like a wild thick dolphin swimming in a deep blue sea, saving my life. I'm just trying. I don't want that you leave me. I don't want you to go. Please don't leave me, Sister Murphy. And I don't want you to go. I love you so. Can you hear me?